Good morning, class 10. Today I will explain the binary search. Binary search, just before starting this one, I want to explain what is the meaning of binary search. Binary means what? 2. Always pay attention this one. Binary means 2. So, why its name is binary? So, in this one, first of all, you will take a list, okay? And in this list, you will enter the number in order. Order means what? Ascending or descending. So here I have taken the list, its size is what? 10. List means what? One array you will take, 1D array, and in that one you will store the numbers. So I have taken the array, its size is what? 10. Okay. So now in this one you can see, total 10 numbers. Okay. I have taken the number in order, means what? In which order I have taken? In ascending order. It's compulsory, otherwise it will be fail. So please my dear, pay attention, you will take the numbers in order only. Okay. So now, so what number I have taken here? You can see here 5, 9, 5, 5, 9, 10 in ascending order I have taken. So you can see here, what is the first index? 0, last index 9. Okay. So now, for how will you solve this one? So my dear, what can you do this one? You will divide this whole list in 2 parts. Okay. So for that, how can you divide this list into 2 parts? So first of all, the first index is what? 0. That one you take in L, any variable you can use here. And last index, if the size of the array is 10, what will be the last index? 9. So you take in N, U. P I have taken in -1. Clear? So now you will divide whole list in 2 parts. That's why its name is binary. Okay. So how will you divide in 2 parts? When you will write L plus U upon 2. L means what? First index, and last index is U divided by 2. So my dear, you can see here 0 plus 9, 4.5. But when you will write, when you will take the data type of M is what? Variable that will hold the middle index of the list. So that one you should take here what? Integer. Then 4 will go in that. Okay, because integer can't hold the fraction value, so 4 will go in M. So you can see here L is 0, L is 0, and you can see here I have taken U is 9. Okay, so M is 4 here, tick, because 0 plus 9 upon 2 upon means what? 4 will go in M. So now you find out here XM. What is the XM? XM is what? M is 4, middle index, this one. Okay, so XM, the value of XM, I'm talking about the XM, M is 4, M is what? 4. The X4 is what? 25. 25 is equals to S. S is what? S is what? The S will hold the number which one you want to find out, which one you want to search in list. My dear, you know na, if any number you want to search, so first you need list, then you need a what? Number, which one you want to find out. The number I have taken in S. So what will you do here? You will compare XM means what? X4 means what? 25. 25 with S. What I have taken in S? 10. So both are equal? No. Both are equal? No. Then you will check here. Agar wo equal nahi, then you will go for ki XM is greater than or not. So you check here XM is what? 25. 25 is more than 10? Yes. So what will you do? अब आपका इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है, because you have taken the numbers in order na. So you think here कि XM is more than searching number, means your number only this side. Where is your number? If XM is this one, XM means 25 is more than your searching number. Your searching number is 10. So means what? Your number only here. Your number is only here, not this side. Okay. So what will happen when your number is more than center one number is more than searching number? So then your list will be here, this one. You cut it, this one. यहाँ से कोई लेना देना नहीं. Now because your number is only left side of the center. If your xm is more than s, your center number is more than searching number, so means your searching number only left side of the center. Okay, clear hai? So my dear, no need to search number this side, now you search only here. So in this case what will you do? L will be the same, U will be the 3. Okay, so how this one is possible? When you will write, if this condition is true, so you will change only U. U will be here m minus 1. Okay, this one is wrong, this one is correct, true. So this will be also false क्योंकि एक ही सही होगा. Then so now what will be the U? U will be the U will be here 3. You can see here U is what? 3. U is now the new value of U is 3. So again you will go up. मैं यहाँ लूप लगा दे रहा हूँ, अभी अब समझा रहा हूँ. लूप लगाया था मैंने. लूप क्यों लगाया था? L जब तक U से छोटा है अंदर आना है, तो दिस इज़ योर लूप. ओके, क्योंकि हम ऊपर जाएंगे. अब सेम वर्क अब इस लिस्ट के लिए होगा, सेम वर्क अब इस लिस्ट के लिए करना है जो अभी आपने किया है. सो नाउ L is what 0, U is what 3. So again you will come inside L plus U upon 2. So what will go in M? 1. Okay, because 3 plus 0 1.5, but only 1 will go. So XM is what? X1. इसकी बात हो रही है. अब इस पूरी लिस्ट को यहाँ से नहीं देखना है आपको, यहीं से यहाँ तक देखना है. तो XM is what? 9. Okay, so this one is wrong, this condition is also wrong, so you will come in else. So if my dear pay attention, अब आपकी लिस्ट यहाँ से यहाँ तक नहीं है, सॉरी, अब आपकी लिस्ट ये नहीं है. This one is your list only. So now if this condition is wrong, this one is wrong, so when you will come here, तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि your number is, your center number is less than your searching number. Clear? Because you want to search 10 or XM, what is your center number 9, so this condition is true. So is in this case U will be not change, L will change. Means what? L will be here. Clear? So now what will you write? You will write L equals to M plus 1. So now the L is what? 2. L is what? You can see it. L is what? 2. U is 3. Again you will go up. Again L is 2. U is 3. Condition true of the while loop. Here it will come. 2 plus 3. 5. 5 1 2 means 2. So what will be in M? 2. So look here. XM is what? X2 ye. Now both are equal. Na? S is what? 10 na? S is what? 10. So both are equal. So M will go. What is in M? 2. 2 will go in P. So now P was 1. Now it will be here 2. And break means you go from the out, from the while loop. If P equals to -1, not found. SOPLN found. You know this one. So it's very easy. If any doubt, you can call me.